Now, if you really wanted to get creative, what we could do here is we could work with our layer mask, and if we have the brush tool selected, and for example, if we was to literally just click and drag over our clouds here, as you can see, it's now revealing our original image. So now we're seeing what those clouds had looked like originally alongside our adjustment layer. And again, if we wanted to, we could literally just do this over our trees here as well, for example. And again, we could just further play around with this. And as you can see, even just looking at our thumbnail, you can see the changes that have been applied as there are black areas appearing. And again, if we want to reverse this, if we just press X on our keyboard, we could mask these areas over again by literally just clicking and dragging. And another thing that we could do, in fact, is we can adjust the opacity of our adjustment layer. This is just another cool feature to use if you just want to add further modifications between how much of the adjustment layer that you want to use in comparison with the real image. So if you don't want such a strong contrast, perhaps lower the opacity like so, and you can increase it to increase the contrast of the image.